You could build a website on Squarespace without code or design expertise. When you add a block, you're adding HTML to your site without writing the code yourself. Similarly, when you make style changes, you're changing your site's CSS. The Squarespace platform is powerful and flexible, and you can solve most design challenges with built-in style options. To further customize your site, you can use custom code. Keep in mind, adding code to your site is an advanced modification that falls outside of the scope of Squarespace support. If you don't have coding knowledge but want to add custom code to your site, consider hiring a Squarespace expert. We highly recommend that you have coding knowledge before adding custom code. Some coding changes will conflict with your site's underlying code, and you may have difficulty styling these changes. To add custom code to your site, you have a few options. You can add a code block if you want your code to change the layout or design of a specific page. It's common to use code blocks for code-based customizations such as documents or forms embedded from a third-party service such as Issue or Wufoo. You can also use an embed block. Embed blocks embed content from external sites that use OEmbed standard. For example, you can use the embedded block to display basic third-party content on your site, such as a Facebook post or a video from a host not supported by Squarespace. Code injection allows you to add code that affects your entire site or a single page. This can be accessed from your Pages setting menu as well as within your website tools. Website Tools is also where you can utilize CSS Editor. The CSS Editor enables you to change fonts, colors, and backgrounds on your site. If you have coding knowledge but need more help, you can visit the Squarespace forum. And if you built 3 active websites, you can join Squarespace Circle. Squarespace Circle is a community of creative professionals who may be able to answer more technical questions. If you'd like to be notified when you're eligible to join the Circle program, sign up by visiting squarespace.com/circle. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.